Hi guys, today we will discuss the Python comparison operator and logical operator and Python identity operator. Let's go. We can take the practical, the Python operator, the uh, comparison operator. Let's go. Just this is false because the x not equal the y. That's the right. If we can take the 5, esto es, this is a comparison operator. Just one. No, we can. That does not equal. Okay. If we can take that does not equal, let's go a false. Just we can change the value and show it. That's true. Okay. We can. It true. It's less than if it greater than. This is the comparison operator. We can less than and equal. This is all of this comparison operator. Let's go. No, we can do the logical operator. Let's go. We can do this a logical operator. If if x बराबर है 5 के and y बराबर है वो इक्वल है if x इक्वल है 5 and y इक्वल है 6, then print yes. Let's go. That is error. We can see this. The error. We have. Let's go. Yes. If x, if we can change the value and we can show the result, that is not result because this condition is not true. Okay. This the is and if we can take the or operator, yes. The or operators means uh, just this condition or this. Say true, a come the yes. If we can take this condition, not okay, not if not, we can take this example like this. We can take the copy like all of example. We can take the copy and line 4. We can take the what's the problem of this print if not let's go we can Python identity operator. Python identity operator we can take this the example. Okay, print is we can take this print x is the true because the x equal है zeta. Let's go. Let's move. We can check the other condition. We can check this condition. False. Because return true because there is same object as a x. We have seen this. But the return false because x is not the same object as a y, even if they have the same content. Let's go. We can take the example of Python membership. Say we can take this print banana in here true. Let's go. We have finished this lesson.